Making children future ready. That is what the purpose and the passion of organization Do It Yourself Academy, DIYA is. So our concept is all about children coming together, building a solution for a problem. 21st century skills to robotics is what Do It Yourself Academy is offering for children. Do It Yourself Academy, a place where children are enabled to do things by themselves, because that is what the future is going to be all about. So you need to be an independent learner and a strong creator, and we are taking children in that particular direction so that they are the pillars of the future, and we are giving them the right tools, the technology and the hands-on training, which is a key factor in the right direction. I wanted to make sure that what we teach them has to be industry oriented so that they get an exposure of what is going to actually happen after school. We want them to understand that there are so many careers out there so that they can actually choose what they love. So through the course, we expose the child to about 10 different domains of robotics. And every domain, they implement something, they solve a problem, they see what it is all about. And once they understand is the liking, they can pursue that as a career. So when it comes to the school, we start as early as a 5-year-old, that is typically a first grader. So here, kids above the age of 7 and above, they come and we group them. So 7 to 12 would be one batch, and 13 and above would be another batch. And each age group takes up a particular task or a particular domain in robotics, and they implement solutions towards it.
It's actually a very good experience. I think he's liking it most. As a parent, I feel kind of satisfied because I'm actually giving him something which we haven't come across at this age.
It's a lot of improvement overall. So he looks at things in a different perspective after he started going to DIYA.
Every classes are very interesting. That's why we still continue. This is the 3rd year he's doing his class with DIYA. He is very interested. Level by level there are assignments and assessments also.
Google has said that coding is one of the top 5 essential life skills of the 21st century. Do you have the vision to make your child future ready with a simple, structured, internationally certified, unique curriculum focused on boosting their confidence, creativity, critical thinking, communication and collaboration skills, to the consistent guidance from an expert trainer who will genuinely measure the progress of your child? We welcome you to DIYA Do It Yourself Academy. I would like to share with you a success story of our student Preet, who has used his learnings from our online coding classes that taught him animation and coding to create an awareness campaign during this pandemic, and that project has been recognized by Dr. 𝐘𝐨𝐿, the first female Indian Police Service officer and the current Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry.
Women's financial freedom is a family's financial success. Are you looking for a futuristic international education business that is structured, accomplished, simple, and ensures meaningful development in a child, which you can pursue at the comfort of your house and the time of your convenience? You are the WonderWoman we are looking for. We welcome you to DIYA Do It Yourself Academy, making children future ready.
As a woman, I would call this as a best opportunity for women because this requires very small investment, minimal working hours, and also the satisfaction that we are creating a good future for children. So we have also won the most promising business for women award recently. So if you're somebody looking for a good opportunity, business opportunity, then DIYA is your destination.